Intestinal parasites are a significant global health concern, often misunderstood as afflictions limited to individuals in third-world countries. This misconception overlooks the fact that these parasites can affect anyone, regardless of their geographical location or socioeconomic status. According to the World Health Organization, over 3 billion people worldwide are estimated to be infected with various types of intestinal parasites. This staggering number highlights the widespread nature of the issue. As we delve deeper into this topic, it is essential to discuss the symptoms associated with these infections, the methods for diagnosis, and explore natural remedies that can aid in treatment and prevention. Intestinal parasites are organisms that live in the intestines of their hosts, deriving nutrients at the host's expense. These parasites thrive in the warm, nutrient-rich environment of the intestines, where they can reproduce and cause various health issues. Contaminated food and drinks are common entry points for these parasites, often resulting from poor hygiene practices or inadequate sanitation. Children are particularly vulnerable due to their developing immune systems and tendency to explore their environments, increasing their risk of infection. However, individuals of all ages can be affected, making awareness and preventive measures crucial for safeguarding health against these pervasive organisms. Common symptoms associated with intestinal parasites include changes in appetite, persistent fatigue, and various digestive issues such as diarrhea, bloating, and abdominal pain. Recognizing these symptoms is crucial for timely diagnosis and treatment, as early intervention can prevent further complications. However, diagnosing intestinal parasites can be challenging due to the overlap of these symptoms with other ailments, such as food intolerances or infections. This similarity can lead to misdiagnosis or delayed treatment, making it essential for individuals experiencing these symptoms to seek medical advice. Awareness of these signs can empower individuals to take proactive steps toward their health and well-being. If you suspect a parasite infection, it is crucial to consult a doctor for a professional diagnosis. Intestinal parasites can lead to serious health issues if left untreated, making expert evaluation essential. Doctors may prescribe various medical treatments, including anti-parasitic medications that target specific types of infections. Additionally, dietary modifications often play a vital role in the treatment process, helping to restore gut health and support recovery. By working closely with healthcare professionals, individuals can ensure they receive the appropriate care and guidance needed to effectively combat the infection and promote overall well-being. Don't hesitate to seek help if you experience concerning symptoms. Natural remedies for eliminating intestinal parasites have gained popularity due to their potential health benefits. Cloves, for instance, are known for their powerful antimicrobial properties, effectively killing germs and promoting overall health. Their active compounds can help create an inhospitable environment for parasites, aiding in their elimination. Flax seeds, rich in fiber and essential nutrients, play a significant role in digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and flushing out toxins. Together, these ingredients can support the body's natural defenses against parasites, enhancing gut health and improving digestive function. Incorporating cloves and flax seeds into your diet may provide a holistic approach to combating intestinal parasites. To prepare a natural remedy mix for combating intestinal parasites, start by grinding equal parts of dried cloves and flax seeds into a fine powder using a spice grinder. Once blended, store the mixture in an airtight container. For dosage, take 1 teaspoon of the powder daily, preferably mixed in just smoothies or yogurt, for a duration of 2 to 4 weeks. It's essential to maintain hydration during this treatment, so drink plenty of water throughout the day. Additionally, practicing good hygiene, such as washing hands regularly and ensuring food safety, will enhance the effectiveness of the remedy and support overall health during the process. Preventing intestinal parasite infections is crucial for maintaining good health. One of the most effective measures is regular hand washing, especially before meals and after using the restroom, as proper hygiene significantly reduces the risk of transmission. Additionally, deworming pets regularly is essential, as they can carry parasites that may infect humans. Ensuring that pets receive veterinary care and appropriate treatments can help prevent the spread of these organisms. Furthermore, maintaining a clean environment is vital. Regularly cleaning living spaces, properly disposing of waste, and practicing safe food handling can all contribute to reducing the risk of intestinal parasite infections. Awareness and proactive measures are key. In summary, recognizing and treating intestinal parasites is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. We discussed the common symptoms associated with these infections and the importance of seeking professional diagnosis and treatment. Additionally, we explored natural remedies, such as cloves and flax seeds, that can aid in parasite elimination. Preventive measures, including regular hand washing, deworming pets, and maintaining a clean environment, are crucial in reducing the risk of infections. We encourage you to adopt these practices and consider natural solutions. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others for more valuable health tips and information.